In other news, weighed down by the prospect of further monetary policy tightening by central banks, Asian shares are trading lower today. The share markets also dragged down by China's renewed COVID outbreak and Europe's energy shortage as the euro nears parity with the safe haven dollar. The MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan fell 0.8% to its lowest level in 2 years, while Japan's Nikkei lost 1.75%. The euro fell as low as $1.0006 against the US dollar, moving ever closer to parity for the first time since December 2002. Investors are afraid that an energy crisis will tip the region into a recession. In India, the rupee fell 13 paise to 79.58 against the dollar in early trade, as strong American currency overseas and losses in domestic equities weighed on investor sentiments. Persistent foreign fund outflows and elevated crude oil prices also kept the pressure on the local currency. Some of the data will be in focus this week, including the Consumer Price Index from the US on Wednesday and comments from the Federal Reserve officials as investors look for clues for the outcome of the Fed's upcoming policy meeting. Investors are also worried about the fact that multiple Chinese cities, including the commercial hub Shanghai, are adopting fresh COVID-19 restrictions starting from this week to rein in new infections. Also, the surging costs of energy in Europe is another major fear, as the biggest single pipeline carrying Russian natural gas to Germany entered its annual maintenance phase, with flows expected to stop for about 10 days. Investors are worried that the shutdown might be extended because of the war in Ukraine, restricting European gas supply further and tipping the struggling Eurozone economy into recession. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.